In front of me is Blackview 6, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices settings and clicking on Sound section after scrolling down. Now scroll down again. Click on Vibrate Vocals and apply the best option for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. In my case, always vibrate. When you are finished, go back, scroll all the way down, and tap on those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and touch vibration to switch them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!